For us at Pride Initiative, we are very happy and impressed by the participation of men of the Nigerian police force and other prosecutorial and investigative agencies that are in the room. It has given us an opportunity to get insights into how they carry out their work, but also a greater opportunity to also mainstream digital rights into how they carry out their work. They have been very, very, responsive in how they respond to some of the teachings, to some of the training contents, and all of that. But the great thing is that we're not just teaching them, they are also teaching us, because we're learning more about how they carry out their work, and we are consistently able to provide the kind of support that ensures that there is a trust between the people and security agencies, so that when they do their work, they don't create fear in the system, and they don't infringe on fundamental rights and freedoms that have been constitutionally guaranteed by by our constitution and also by international instruments that Nigeria is party to, such as the ICCPR, the African Charter, etc. So that's the positive things for us. So we hope that by the time the participants are leaving here tomorrow, they will have gained a lot of knowledge and insights into the obligation of Nigeria as a country to protect the rights of its people, and also the requirement for respect for fundamental rights even as they carry out their work. One of the key issues that came up is the issue of judicial and oversight and legality around surveillance activities. It came out very strongly, and I love the way in which the law enforcement people have responded to that.